All right, well, I don't know how long I can hold this camera up. This is too large of a camera to be holding like this, but we're gonna try to make it through it. Anyway, this is part 2 of probably part 3, or of 3 parts of kind of my studio makeover. And I just want to kind of show you what's going on, kind of behind the scenes kind of stuff. Anyway, just stay right there and we're gonna get to it. All right, so basically what's going on here, we got wall paint on 2 different walls here. This is a gray, it's like a gray color. It's called Distant Star, and it's from Home Depot, in case you're wondering. I think it's a really nice color. I don't have my lighting set up exactly how I want it yet, but we still have the She-Hulk and the Dark Dragon. One of the upgrades is the monitor, but all of this had to come down and kind of put in the center, just so we could paint the walls. But I have to get that monitor actually mounted to the wall because that's way too large of a stand to put a keyboard, and I just kind of want to mount it to the wall. Anyway, the biggest upgrade is this desk, and I'll show you it right here. And look at that jazzy thing, huh? So we got my main PC, which is the Maker Reborn. We got 2 of the same monitors, and I've got my speakers set up, one there, one on that side. Got my Synology, a 16 terabyte. Well, those got 2 22 terabytes in it. I got a 16 terabyte Western Digital for backups for that. And then I got my sub and all that. And one commenter was talking about this jack. This is kind of cool. It actually works. So you can pump it up. Anyway, so then we got this table from Home Depot. Actually, it is a butcher block. Forgive me, I don't remember the actual name of it, but it's a butcher block, and we put some polyurethane on it. Looks really nice. Just 2 coats. And then those drawers are like Alex drawers, but not Alex drawers. They're like them. They are from Amazon. I can put the links at least to that. Well, I did do, in my other video, I did put the links already to that. But yeah, so we got our gaming mat and some nice cable management. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the walls yet. I do have some sound foam coming for some of the walls to kind of get some better audio in here, I'm hoping. But let me just show you underneath the desk here. All right, as we pan under here, look at this cable track. Everything is so tidy. I love it, love it, love it. That cable track allows you to put cables out about every inch. It's so great. And we got our blocks, our power blocks for our monitor and our Synology. We have a USB hub. That's 4 ports because my keyboard and mouse, and there's one other thing I have connected to it, that doesn't have the length that I need to go to the PC. We have like a 16 power strip right there, 16 port power strip, and we have our CyberPower battery backup back there. So everything's really tidy under there. And we can kind of come back up here, and that's my cables kind of coming out of the PC. I know it's kind of dark, but you won't see that too much. And I haven't really decided how I want all this. I got a lot of junk on the shelf. And of course, look at all of this crap. It's all over the place. Boxes and tools and bins. I have to get better organization here. But these drawers, they're just kind of, they're okay. It works. I'm keeping a lot of my PC stuff over like in this area, and that way when I need something I can just grab it, but I have a lot more to go through. Everything else is kind of the same. I got a nice fireplace over there yet. I haven't even turned that on yet to see if it even works, but we have some motherboards up there on display, but not really organized yet. I have a lot more to do. I'm actually contemplating, because I have these box lights right here and a ring light, and I'm contemplating, because the ceiling has the joists, and I could buy a reverse mount for this box light, take this off, not use the stand anymore, and mount it on the ceiling to get more floor space. So I'm kind of contemplating on doing that. All right, so the one cool thing about this monitor, sorry about the reflection here of the ring light, but this monitor has a built-in KVM. So if you remember, we did a KVM right here. Whoop, pointed down there. I have a KVM here to switch between these two. And I know I'm kind of washed out right now, so apologies for that, but whatever. So I have that KVM. I think I'm going to continue to use that KVM, but this has a built-in one, which is really, really cool. But that would require more cables to go up to the monitor, so I don't think I'm going to do that. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 2, and leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think about this table, the cable management. I think it's really, really good. I didn't take you really through the process of cable managing because that's just a pain. But I will leave a link to all the stuff that I used and see if it'll work for you. But anyway, that's going to do it for me. Until next time, take care.